wants a badge.
I just figured you guys wanted to see the cat a little bit longer instead of my face. Where is she? Thanks, Alvy. So are you, friend. Hey, Benson, how are you? It's not a tutorial on Maker. What's that be? You're ridiculous.
Bye.
No, I can't see anything, Piling. This is very disruptive. Can I peek? Bubbles! Hooray! Hello, Piling. Hello, Techie. Who else is here? Benson, Alvy, Condarsa. Where is she? Hi, everybody. You just wait. Just wait a minute. Now I got to catch up with the... Wise Otter is here. Whoa, whoa. How long, Morehouse Hacks, how long was I in here that people said stuff that I must have been really late? I didn't feel like I was that late. At what point do I fix Bubblebot? What's Bubblebot? Bubblebot. Why is it broken, Condarsa? What are you talking about? I want to do it. I need to learn. Quit with your backseating. I don't even have the right relay for you to do that. No, I don't. It's okay. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I got it. I'll do it. We should have a bubble bath sound redemption. That'd be fun. I'm going to do it. I don't know where it went though, because I put everything away. Why did I do that? Why would I do that? Oh my God. Okay, I gotta get it all together. I thought, because I'm a messy person. So I thought everything was out and ready because I didn't think about putting it all away. And I'm sad now. Bubble bot. Bubble bubble bot. Bubble bot. Bubble bubble bot. Bubble bot. Bubble bubble bot. Okay, so here's part of it. And then the cat got up. Oh, hi, sweetie. So we can move to the hand thing. I'm not even listening right now. I can't even hear the things because I was trying to be on time and I wasn't. So I don't even know. I don't even know what it says. Hold on. Now I have to see the clip. All right, I got a hold on. I got it. No, where did I put the bubble machine? Okay. Everything's here. It's just you guys, you sometimes not put stuff away because you don't remember where you put it. Well, I'm like that. Bubble machine is here, and I got an extension cord. So now we can actually run it. I don't know how often we'll run it, but this is the jack that I got. Let me get it. And it should extend the Arduino away from the bubble machine so much that it is good. How did y'all get me to focus so quickly? Stuff exists where I last set it down. Yeah, Condarsa, and if it doesn't, I don't know what to do. But that doesn't happen for me. Sometimes I set something down and it's never there again. As a matter of fact, I lost my keys in my house once. Like, lost my keys inside my house. They're still here, my car keys, and they were the last set because the first set I lost on a walk, a paved walkway. I didn't go in the grass. It was a paved walkway, and I went up and down the whole thing again, and my keys weren't there. And I had a spare with me because I was smart and I understood. But that was my last spare. And then I lost the spare inside this house somewhere. And I don't know where they are. I have no idea. Yes, that is true, Condarsa. Pavements do be sneaky. Yeah, I know. And then I had to, because I got lost, I never found them. Never found them. I had to get other ones. Yes, I carried my spare with me. So I put my spare in my car, which I always kept unlocked. Because I knew I would lose them someday. So that house came with a car? No. I lost the keys in the house, and then I had to get another key remade so that I could use the car again. It was this house, Old Sloppy. It's still here. Yes. Someday we're going to sell the house and someone is going to find. I should hotwire it. I should just hotwire it. That's the way to go. Just hotwire the house and then maybe it'll tell me where the keys are. That's what you meant, right? I just have a key, no fob anymore. I used to be able to like click, click. Can't do that anymore. So is this supposed to happen? I think it's fine. So we've got this very long thing that should extend the bubble machine anywhere I want it to go. Well, I'm gonna zip up my sweater because I need to be more modest. Give me a minute. Also, I tried curling my hair today. Does not happen. I just braided it. It's not really curling it. The Bubble Bot robot is retroactively. Yeah. I only have, actually, Old Sloppy, it's worse than that because only one of the doors has a keyhole. So I have to unlock the driver door before I unlock all the other ones. The Bubble Bot robot or the robot Bubble Bot? The bubble robot, the bubble bot. Bubble bot. Phoenix, hello, how are you? How you doing, friend? I saw on your server that you're putting up a way for people to like search for jobs. I think that's really cool of you to like share their resume and stuff. Kudos, friend. I think that's really supportive. Now you didn't at everyone, so you might have done it for public relations, but Alkandar says, okay, enjoy your burger. Double bubble bot. Bubble bot. Bottom. Bottom. Techie, do you have a sound yet? Techie needs a sound. Okay, this one goes in here like this. And then I can put this anywhere in the room, probably very, very far away from the stream is the aim. So let's go find a spot where we're gonna see bubbles, but they won't get anything really wet. So here, I think. Yeah, that seems far enough away. Star Wars stuff will get wet. Then you plug this. I meant for that job opportunities part of my Discord to be something that everyone contributes to, but I think I'm the only one who frequents LinkedIn. Oh, that's fair, yeah. Maybe add the Bubblebot soundtrack in the background. That would be fun. Oh, that's a good idea for the redeem. That'd be a lot of fun. But it might be a little disruptive. Okay, so we're gonna put the Arduino together now. Hold on, I gotta get my USB-C. I keep putting my ear plugs in and it's not the right time. I'm pretty convinced. So this is my optimism, and I'm pretty sure my optimism isn't that great, but I'm pretty convinced I could get the bubble machine running today. I think if I like push myself, if I really push myself, try to understand what it is that I need, I could probably get the bubble machine running today. Are you saying, Piling, that I shouldn't do that? How am I? Piling, I'm actually, thank you for asking. I'm doing really well. Thank you. Very well. I'm feeling great. I feel like I've just been better about going to bed at a reasonable time. Yeah. Are you leaving now though? Because you don't want to know anything else? You don't want to know how I'm good. You don't want to hear any more details. You're like, ugh, stop talking. Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. So yeah, so I'm happy. I've been sleeping more and I've been like, bye. Oh, Slappy, why are you leaving? So hold on. Let me hook up the Arduino because I can't talk and Arduino at the same time. Actually, I can. Okay, Arduino's plugged in happily. And now this is the scary part. So now hold on. And it's doing, it should be doing the 3, yeah, it's doing the 3 pause thing, and I gotta put it on the, okay. It is so hard to do this with headphones. I'm gonna take the headphones off so they don't tangle everything up. So basically I've been sleeping more, which is good. I'm like more deliberately, not just more, but taking there's a difference, right? There's a difference between sleeping more and sleeping more deliberately. So I've been going to bed when I could do other things. When my brain is like, hey, you could probably do something else. I'm like, no, I'm going to go to bed. But you know what I feel like? I feel like my skills have been waning though. Like I haven't been practicing as much software dev and stuff, and that bums me out. Because actually at work we're doing a lot of SEO marketing stuff. Like just changing the website so it's more visible and stuff like that. So like I'm a little bummed out because, sorry, I'm just fixing this. I wish you could see it, but I'm just like putting it together right now. I can probably move the cat cam. Uh-oh, cat cam's battling for Arduino. Hold on a minute. Now she's chasing something. Why are you chasing something? What are you doing? All right, so I'm gonna put this, everybody get dizzy for a second. All right, that's not a great one. And then we can bring this up and over. And I can put the Arduino I'm holding awkwardly in its spot. Oh, my wire came out. I knew that was going to happen. So now the wire is out of the, see this right here? So the wire is out now, so I got to find a way to put it back in. Which means I gotta get my screwdriver. Or I could just put it in there, yeah? No, I need to get my screwdriver and not electrocute myself. That is a live wire, people. Okay, how do I do this? I'll probably unplug it for a sec. Right. We're gonna unplug it, and then I need to get my screwdriver. What? I need to face the mic, no one can hear me? Yeah, but I have to do the Arduino stuff too. Okay. So I'll just bring the mic with me as I go. Do people do this? No. I got to find my screwdriver. I don't know where my screwdriver is. Teeny little screwdriver. Ugh. So there are not very many times when I clean my desk. Yeah, that's fine. And I cleaned my desk and now I can't find anything. And I'm sad. How do you guys clean stuff? A lapel mic. Sleep in your code. I guess sleep in code, not sleep Benson. Yeah, hold on. Let me go back. Okay. I had to edit. Hey, Faffin. What's up? Whoa. And now we know what the cat cam delay is. Oh, yeah, true. I was about to go upstairs and check on my supper, but I look forward to seeing if you've made progress. Not really. Just do what I do. Code in your sleep. Ooh, I wish I could do that. Stick your tongue on it to see if it's live. Actually, probably don't do that. Okay, I won't do that. But I do need to find the screwdriver. It's so hard. Life is so hard when stuff is organized. Why can't it just be all over the place where I left it? Why are you crazy? Benson, don't be crazy. Or be crazy, but be proud of it at least. Don't question it. Embrace the crazy. All right. So, once upon a time, I had, hold on, it's got to be in the kit. It's probably in the kit. Screwdriver. This is when I just tear shit up. Tiny little screwdriver, where There's got to be one in the kit, right? Is this the kit? What is this? No. Nope, kit's not in here. Darn it. Can't find it. Okay, in here, I got it. Found it. All my equipment. I just shoved in a closet. Can you recursively resolve aliases in constant memory? Of course I can. No. Why would you think I could do that, Heather? Found the screwdriver! I can't even find a screwdriver. Maybe. I don't know what resolving an alias means. I know, stream's over. I'm all done. Like, can it be done? Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah, you just gotta change your pointer position. Yes, until proven no. Right, yeah, as long as I get to define what resolve means. No, I think it just means define it, right? Yeah, I don't know. I need a whole lot of definitions for that. Can I resolve? If you got tail recursion in your language, I'm assuming the answer is supposed to be no. But I'm just looking for a screwdriver. I think you can ask me these questions when I'm focused. But I'm not very focused recently. Tail recursion is the name of my new band. Ooh, nice, Alan. Nice. I like that. Nice. All right. Now we're going to put this back. We just have to put the wire back. Recursion usually takes linear memory at least. But can't you just do something with your... Like, can't you just do something with your pointer and your... Like, hold on. I'm trying to think. I don't really know how these things work. I have like a vague idea. But I feel like you could... It depends on how you store it, right? Like, it depends. Wait, what am I saying? What I'm saying doesn't make sense. What I'm thinking is not what I'm saying. My brain is doing something then. I feel good. I don't even have them in. I don't even have my headphones in. Place the screwdriver on the desk. Is a runtime count. But given the number of indices you'd need into the pointers is a runtime count. Yeah. I don't know. I was thinking pretty vaguely. I don't know. I turned it upside down. Is that better? Okay. Okay, now I've got to get the wire back in. So the next step is just to get the wire back in to the COM port. I just touched the end of it. Oh, it's not live. It's not plugged in. That's why that was fine. All right, so we're just going to put this back in. We have so many bugs. There's a window that's right behind me. And we have so many bugs that I can hear them. Okay, that's good. All right, now we can plug this back in. I know I'm not facing the mic. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. I didn't realize. No! Oh my God, this is so hard. How do y'all deal with this much stress? I don't like hardware. There's too much stress. Okay, here we go. So stressful. Can I like tape this here so it doesn't move? How many of you secure your stuff so it doesn't move, like with tape? I used to like the white stripes a lot. Duct tape. I feel like that's a good decision. I'm not sure if duct tape is the right choice for me right now. Ah! Oh my God, how much anxiety does this give people? I would not. I would be so nervous watching me. Gaff tape. Yeah, I need some tape. You're right. Wise Otter.
Can't wait to get my 9-month sub badge. Chris 281.
I'm so
Chris
glad you.
281. Jelly Jam at Old Sloppy.
No, stop it. It's gonna be all right. These wires are a pain in the ass. All right, the ground. I just need like tape. That's all I need. Tape to put that right there. Gaff tape. What if I just use a hair tie? That's what I'm gonna do. All right, we're gonna use a hair tie. Or I do have like one of these things. Something I secured fell down today, so it's no longer secured. Wise Otter, thank you, by the way. Pinna Gamer, I can't hear anything. When I come back to stream, you can jump scare me again. I should probably give you that back, but it probably scared everybody else. Give me real bubbles. Give me a second, Coder. Give me a second. Okay, all right, here we go. So if we put this, no! How many times have I dropped it? So what if I do this? Does this work? It's the jankiest setup. Ugh. Ta-da! Oh, duct tape. It's the fake duct tape. All right, and let's see if we can get a closer look at the equipment. You can see my heater. Let's move the heater. And move this in. And then I think we can even move this up. You can just see the stuff. Is that better? Back just a tad. That's pretty good. It'll probably tip over, but no. No, it's too heavy. Nice. That's all right. And we'll move the relay over just a little bit so you can see it. There we go. Hello. All right, so we'll give you some real bubbles. The bubbles are over there. You can see the bubble machine now. It's right there. And the Arduino is here, and we're good to go. All right. It's not an Arduino. It's a red board from SparkFun. That's why it's red, Coder. It's not like, it's got a quick connect between the relay and the board, which is probably the same as like an the ESP one or whatever. You want me to throw a book at it, Alan? Okay, wait, now this has to be plugged in to the battery pack. And the battery pack is off. It's on, it's off, so I'll turn it on and walk away. Brilliant. Okay, now everything is live, so I can officially electrocute myself. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up Arduino. I was gonna go with the rest a book on it, hold it down, but throwing, yeah. Maybe I can turn it on that way. All right, so right desktop. We're gonna do some Arduino today, folks. We are gonna get it done. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's why I'm here, to learn. That is why I'm here. Jellies! Should I just hold the screwdriver like this the whole time, Pile? You think? Like, should I balance it? No. Silly, silly Chrissy. Why do you make these silly jokes for no reason? I don't know. I'm sorry. It's just for fun. It's just for good fun. That's a fun one. Next time I want to hold something. Behind my ear so I can do a magic trick. Ta-da! Oh, too late for the screwdriver. Hold it forever. Yeah, then someone does jump scare. Someone should do a jump scare and my eye will be gone. But at least I'll have IRL bubbles. Or at least I'll be working toward that goal. Okay, so we started with a blink out delay so I could learn a bit more about Arduino. And this is what we ended up with, and this is what's loaded onto the breadboard right now. So the next thing I wanted to do, Fafin gave me some advice that I'm going to pull up on Discord, so I'm going to go look at that. I don't know why that pulls up there. It should pull up on this side. But I think the next thing I want to do is now hit a key when all right, so here. Okay, let's see, Arduino wish list. Oh my goodness, so look at Fafin, I'm gonna share this because it's funny. So look at all of this advice that Fafin showed me. And I was like, oh my goodness, it's so much to read, but it's pretty good. No, it's pretty good. Squints at this one. Lurk, boop, boop. Highlighting equals entertainment. At the bot? What's wrong with the bot? What did the bot say? Okay, all right, so I did read this a little bit. All right. Take the blink sketch and figure out how to read data sent over serial. Blink the LED a number of times equal to the first character sent. Who needs validation checking? Yeah, fair. All right. Because I actually do need to tell it, well, do I need to, or can I just set it so that the bubble machine just turns on for as long as I want it to? Oh, trying to load a song. Oh. The bot was trying to I'm slouching. I need to sit up. All right. So the next thing I want to do is, this is so much advice, Fafin. So much advice. There's so much. I'm just reading through the advice that Fafin gave me. I'm just gonna pull it down into a spot where, here we go, into a spot where we can all read. Who likes Notepad? Actually, I'll do it in, I should do it in Notion. Let's just pull up Notion. JD does dev. Hello. How are you doing today? What is new? Notion.so. Oh my gosh. No login. All right. Come on, buddy. I just finished my stream and noticed I hadn't checked you out yet. Well, hello. How are you doing? I feel like have I rated you before? I feel like I recognize you, but tell me about yourself. Oh, yes, that's right. The Claw Discord. Cool. Very cool. Well, welcome. So today what we're doing is we're learning to code a little bit of C++ to use Arduino. I've got, fair, JD. And it makes sense. And if I can, I will. So I've got one of these Arduino things. It's not really an Arduino, it's a red board from SparkFun. Yeah, this Notion is not loading. Can anybody else get Notion to load? Oh, okay. I don't know what happened. It just needed a refresh, I guess. So then what I want to do is just make a new page, empty page. And I just want to put in the stuff Baffin gave me so that y'all can read it a little bit better. Thank you for the follow, Bitewise Gamer. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Okay, so let's see. Basically, this is like steps to learn a little bit better. Whoa! Whoa! Do you know how big this smiley is on Discord? It's this big. Look at this. It's this. How hilarious is that? But on here, it's like this giant smiley face. Oh, Vim notes stop markdown. Someone is so happy, like, woo! Yeah, okay. So take the blink sketch and figure out how to read data sent over serial. Blink the LED a number of times equal to the first character sent. So I don't know. I'm gonna take a poll. SVGs are a hell of a drug. Yeah, SVGs are fantastic. JD, have you ever, let me introduce you to my friend who is not here. Oh, I can find you. Let's see. Let's find your stuff. Josh has a very amazing blog about SVGs and is an incredible designer and does some really cool stuff with them. And I want to find it. Here we go. This is an SVG generation tool that he did, but I cannot find his website. Here we go. Is it this one? This one. Check this out, then check out the blog. So if you go here and then you go to the blog, it says blog down here. He changed that. That's good. And then you go to this like polygons to blobs thing. It just does some really cool SVG interactions and how you use mathematics to cut them and everything with a Bezier curve. It's very cool. Very, very cool. And then there's another one that I really enjoy. Is it the renderer? Yeah, no, not that one. There's one you can play with a little bit more. Where's the other one that's really fun to play with? This is pretty great. There are some just some really cool things that he does with SVGs that I admire. So yeah, check it out. It's very cool. You might know more about SVGs than Josh, in which case you'll have a great colleague or person. And he streams. Hey, Josh. As I'm like, I definitely do not. I do not either, but Josh is pretty great. Okay. So these are the steps that, all right, here's the poll. Here's what should I just do enough to make this bubble machine run? Or should I truly learn Arduino? Because I think a lot of these steps will get me to eventually understand everything I need. Ugh, both. Here's the thing. Like, I don't know how much I'm going to do this hardware thing, right? First, make it work. There's no difference. What's the difference between these pictures? There's no difference. Yeah, that's right. But see, this is like advice, Hatter, about like doing things that aren't my project to understand the things that I'm going to use in my project. So that's why it's different. It's like, do I actually take these wonderful steps that Fafin laid out, or do I just try to do them at a time? And I do think I'm gonna have I'm gonna pull this aside. I think the next thing that I'm gonna do here is probably to send so the time interval is here. So this is how long if I wanted to run the relay, because I could just pull the relay information. I know. So I'm going to do it the way I feel. The way I know. I really know. So I think I'm going to do it the way I would learn, or the way, at least I think I'm just going to finish it. Who am I trying to convince, Chad or myself? Honestly, I don't know. If I was doing this, that I know, that this conversation sounds familiar, just myself. You're right. I can do it. And I think I'm going to do it by grazing the surface of C++ and like kind of understanding what I'm doing and not entirely understanding what I'm doing. Because I feel like the more I do projects, the more familiar I'll get with it. And I'd rather like see this done and decide whether or not it was interesting enough to continue doing these kind of projects, or like move back to soapbox, because I've actually been really missing software development. And I was like bummed. I was a little bummed. Like, I'm excited about the IRL bubble machine, but I'm also like a little bummed that I'm like not doing soapbox. And like, it's sad because you're like, you know, you really miss the things that you enjoyed. Like, you know, learning the back and the front end of building an app is really interesting to me. And I miss it. I know, Techie. And I do want to get this to run. Absolutely want to get this to run. I am interested in that. 100%. I think it's really interesting, but I don't think I'm going to learn as much as I need to actually like, yeah, bare metal C or working with JavaScript, right? You I like it. I like the stack. What's my favorite type of coding? New coding. Anytime I have to do something brand new, it's interesting. That's my favorite type. Lee's favorite framework? I don't have one. They don't exist. No coding? What? No, I love coding. What are you talking about? No, that's ridiculous. That's funny. I have a, yeah, actually, I probably shouldn't share that. Okay, cool. So, so the next thing, so in this case, let's do a new sketch. Or did I save my relay sketch? I saved this sketch because it was mine, but I don't think I saved my relay sketch. So I'm going to go grab that, because at least that one turns the relay on and I understand what's happening. So I'm going to go check out the SparkFun relay. It's like the relay one. SparkFun. Redboard. Let's go find the relay. this one. And then the relay has the, gets started with the relay guide. And then there was like, let's see, an example, which isn't really example. So this is interesting because I don't know how this example code, I guess it's like not the only code you can ever use, but I'm just gonna do a new sketch. Gonna close this one. Sketch May 23rd. What a crappy name for a sketch. Can I rename it? I can't even right click and rename. Save as. Here we go. Let's do new folder. What are we calling this? Gonna call this bubble machine project. Bubble machine. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and save this. Bubble sketch V1. All right. So we're gonna save that as bubble sketch. I think my thermal taste has gone to bed. It tastes awful. Thermal paste. Wait a minute. You think your thermal paste has gone bad. It tastes awful. Gone to bed. Yeah, I read so many different words. Done. Shouldn't have to consult Stack Overflow to install Discord. Hold on, going back. What are we doing? We're going to grab the relay code. I was not here, but Fafin. This is so many words. Yeah. Nah. Okay. It prompts you to download the new Deb. And then it makes you download. Are we talking about Discord right now? All right. So we're gonna go ahead and this is the prep before the setup. And I kind of get what's happening here. This is a library. This is a library. This is the relay address where it's plugged in. This is how the relay is defined based on the library, I think. And then let's see. What else? I guess, okay. All right, I'm gonna type this because it will get it in my head. So for setup, we have wire begin. I don't know what wire is. And then serial begin 115200. And this, when I did this before, I had this code written, but I didn't save it. I don't think I need to, there's code that says, actually, what do you think about this? If the relay doesn't start. So I want to think about this a little bit. So this is, if the relay doesn't start, then check connections to quick relay. So basically, if, right, this will send serial. Okay, this will send a message to the serial like connection between the computer and the board. And can I have I'm going to ask a question. It's a SparkFun board. There's a link to it on Discord, but I can grab it if you want. Oh yeah, I'll show you. Could they make the relay setup more complicated? Oh, I don't think so. You think so? I don't think it's that complicated. Maybe I'm, that's my first time hitting it, so I get it. But, did you send the board? I've got it. That's true. Kandarsa did show me a really easy way to do this with the relay, with an easier, which one is my board? It's the mini. Let's see. No. It looks kind of like this, but it's not this one. Okay, I can go look. I'm going to actually go find it for you, Xmetrics, unless Fafin does first. So my question is, if, and I'm not sure, I think every time I do this, I forget a little bit, but I remember more, which is nice. How do you know what to buy? Advice. You ask people who've bought it and messed up the first time. That's how you know. Most people are very friendly, especially in this space, because it's like a maker. It's like a maker space, like even across the internet. So I would say that, here we go. Here's the red board I got. Thank you for the follow, Temper Alex. Oh, we both found it at the same time. Oh, because your paste went bad. Was I supposed to put it in the fridge? I don't know what. Are you talking about tempura paste? Or like, what kind of paste? Condarsa, you were so good at distracting me. Thermal paste? Hold on. I need to educate myself. Hold on a minute. I need to educate myself on something that isn't thermal paste. You're putting this on your food?
Jujule it.
All right. I think it's Google. Oh, here we go.
It's Juju.
Okay.
Why are you putting this on your food? Oh. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. So, the question I have for everybody, and probably one I can answer if I think about it a little bit, but we'll see, is and I think one of the good things about learning this is I'm understanding more about storage and how data passes between equipment. Like even the keyboard was really like thinking about the keyboard as like just a big ass Arduino board, which it isn't. It's more than that. But like it's just been kind of nice. But like so the question I have, question. I don't like question. It's like makes me sound yucky. The question I have is for like, I don't care about this too much because it's basically just telling you your relay isn't plugged in and it's not going to work. And there's not any risk really in what I'm doing if it doesn't work. No, I didn't get around to watching it. And I like learning about this stuff, but I don't have a ton of time outside of like now that I'm sleeping, especially like oftentimes when I have time to like do something, I like want to do soapbox. Like I don't, but I will. Questions? No, questions don't make me feel yucky. The word question, when people say question, or when I say it specifically, question, it doesn't sound good rolling off my tongue. Bach, thank you for the follow. Yeah, you don't eat that. Thanks, I didn't really get it. I just couldn't question. Yeah, and I'm not a fan. And I'm trying to say it more better. Question. It's so hard. Yeah, fair. Thanks, Fafin. So like, you're probably right. I will probably watch the video, but I just have to I have to kind of parse when I can do things. Otherwise my brain gets tired. Like thank you for the follow. Thank you for that follow. question. Anyway, so here is, and I want, now that you've said it, like now, Fafin, that you've said there's a keyboard video that I sent you. Did you get a chance to watch it? I might have, but like now I'm going to be like, I want to watch that keyboard video. Like it's just in my head. Now it's like, but like when I read things and it just doesn't go, my brain just doesn't store stuff as well in dialogue, in conversations. I store much better when I'm like reading like an article or like if I'm talking through something with somebody. But like reading conversations, I have a little bit of a time. Code is great. So what I want to know is we've got this serial begin, which I'm thinking is a library that governs how the board communicates with the computer. Specifically in a C++ library. So if I took this C++ code and could I use this? I could probably use this same library. Maybe. Okay. Depending on, you could probably modify it a little bit to use it on something other than Arduino, but it is Arduino specific, perhaps. Okay. Then Iermagoksa, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Bibliotech. Okay. So then if I don't have actually, maybe I should dig into this and find the answer. But my question is, where does Serial send this information? Right now, if I do this, it will print it in the serial monitor. But what part of my computer is reading that is the question that I'm trying to like wrap my head around. 1 out of 6 ads. Oh no. Oh no, ads. Ads. You don't need to learn C++. Yeah, I'm not going to do too big. My kernel is reading it. Oh. Okay. All right. I'm going to make some notes. I'm going to go back to Notion. Make some notes. Because I want to remember the answer to that question. All right. Faf and I just pasted the entire chat in here so that people could see it better. But I don't know. Oh my God. These giant smiley faces. I'm actually going to put it in here. All right. So the title of this page is going to be Arduino Learning. So I'm going to start with a heading to question Q&A. I know I've had some questions and answers that I've asked before that I've wanted, that I did, but I'm just going to start from what I said. So where does serial print line, where does the Arduino send the data when it runs serial print line? And you said the kernel? And I think a lot of this has to do with like understanding how computers are built as well, and like what's happening with the data and like how it's being translated and transferred to the serial monitor and stuff. I think that's something I don't know as well as I want to. I wrote it. So anything connected over USB is hardware, and the kernel is in charge of all hardware with asterisk kiss. Okay. So the kernel. Okay. And is the kernel not really, the syntax is largely the same, but it's not straight C++ code. Yes, that's true. Yeah. Right. What Irod had said, I'm learning that. Do I know how TCP IP works? Kinda. I mean, why don't I instead of like, I think I've read it, but I don't remember it or use it. Like, I don't think about it. I don't address these things. So have I read it? Have I like reviewed it? Do I know? No. I would say I don't know. But like, does that mean I wouldn't? Okay, transmission control protocol. I know IP, right? Yes. Then I do know how TCP IP works. Yes. Yes, I do. Kind of. It like wraps data, continues to wrap data, right? Last stream that we're partway through making a multi-user operating system. Writing a kernel to handle interrupts is basically 1 or 2 steps further than you are right now. Right, yeah, that makes sense. USB works the same way. So it just sends, basically tells the data where to send it. If they've implemented UDP in networks, oh my God. Fafin, what you just said is just like all words I don't understand. So yes, okay, a little bit. Yeah, I get it. I have an idea of like how this works. Do I know? Actually, I'd love to see, hold on. A better graphic than that. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. All right. So like this. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I hate little things. I hate little diagrams. Diagrams should be big. That's too much. Application transport internet link. Okay, fine. Yes, I kind of get what happens here. But I wouldn't mind understanding it a little bit better. But I'll get there. Okay. There's a chip on the board that understands serial and exposes that for computer, which is USB, which is packet-based. Okay, and the packet-based I understand, like because it tells you what the OSI models, stuff that nightmares are made of. I don't know. I don't know well enough to know. Oh, this is the stuff. I see. That makes sense. What you're saying makes a lot of sense. Okay. I'm actually going to use that. I'm going to use that as my answer. Header. I'm going to use that. There's a chip on the board that understands serial and exposes that for your computer via USB, which is packet-based. Okay. So, and basically what I'm doing by plugging the board into the computer is I'm saying you're an extension, like another arm of the computer, another piece of hardware, piece of memory, and the kernel is saying, like, there's no driver or anything. So that's interesting to me because it's like there are no raw instructions to use it that larger I love how much I struggle with this. It's so much fun. Like, it means I'm actually kind of, but there's a bus. Oh yeah, bus. It's like someone sitting next to you rather than having an extra arm. Sure. Okay. Buses, I understand. That makes sense. So too bad you don't have an old ass laptop or PC with a serial port on board. That would be cool, wouldn't it? I do have an old laptop. I probably shouldn't take it apart though. But that might be fun. Okay, stop. So when you open a serial connection from your computer to the board, it turns the chip on. Okay, to the speed given, makes sense. Every time there's a byte, it translates the byte into, yes, okay, this makes sense. This makes perfect sense. This is a really good explanation. I appreciate this. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to star this. Shine bright, shine far, don't be shy, be a star. Who am I? I don't know sometimes. All right, good. So we answered that question. Now I can move a little bit forward. I know why you're doing this entirely in this setup. I am not going to do it in the setup. We're going to go back to the without delay, which is why I was looking at that, because we want to wait for the interrupt. Damn, you're right, Fafin. I'm with you. Okay, I'm back to the place where I was. It is cozy. I can't give it to you, Coder. I don't even think it'll fit. Someone from Disney? No. That is called Star. I think that movie's called Star. It has oh my God, the supermodel in it, the one who did Next Top Model, and she's a Barbie that comes to life. Alan. Okay. Time to eat. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do. What is this song? Okay, I don't want any of this. I guess I don't mind this. This is just code to help you. No, I don't need it because I don't want to like cloud the storage. At least that's what I should be thinking about. So let's not worry about this because I'm not worried about it. And I also don't want to do this because I don't want to turn this on and off. If I do, I would want to delay it much longer. But we might as well make bubbles because I feel like everybody's been waiting for this and I don't. And then we can use the same off on, but instead of turning it off and on, we wait. We put this in the loop and do like a without delay kind of code, right? 30 seconds? Yeah, X metrics. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna put bubbles in the bubble machine because I've been waiting to do this and I want to, so. heavy. I'm gonna spill. I'm gonna spill. I'm gonna spill. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Water and electronics, baby. The only way to go. Tyra Banks, thank you. Be a star. Oh my God, Alan. Oh, why did I tell you that? Okay, so we can, if we run this, it's just gonna run once. Totally Disney, not surprising. All right, so we're gonna load this first. We're gonna check that it compiles. Does it? Yes, but it gets mad first? What are you mad about? Oh, because I picked the Arduino Uno with the COM 3. Hey, Leah! Hello! Don't overfocus on something that it distracts you from forward progress. More important than doing it over without delay. That's a good point. That's a good point. Do I have the right headers? I think so. Setup and loop. The only thing is maybe the loop needs to have something in it or nothing in it. I know you need loop for the Arduino to work. I don't think you have serial. I do. Oh, I see, but I'm not even using it though. Am I? Hold on, let's check this. No, I am. You're right, I don't have it. You're right. What did I miss? No. Hold on, let me read this for a sec. Let's look at the setup. First, we check that we can communicate correctly with the single quick relay with the relay begin function. Okay. If there are connection issues, we can find out about them here. Oh, maybe I should do that. Next, we check the version. Don't need to check the version. I'm okay. I think it's fine. I guess it's just giving me warnings. Like it's still compiling though. So I don't know. Serial.h? Wire.h? Yeah, this is the Spark Fun. No, I don't think I need the serial library. I think it's embedded. I think it's in here. I don't need it. All right, let's just run this. Upload. Upload? Okay, it didn't work. It didn't work. Relay begin returns true or false if it successfully ran.
Fuck your life! Bing bang!
Scared me. That's a jump scare, Wolf. Hello, how are you? I thought it did compile. Well, it says it compiles, but like it gives me errors. So that's confusing. Alan, you know this is like an ad that she sings. Shine fire, don't be shy, be a star. Be a star. I don't have relay begin. Hold on, let's just use the whole code. Instead of me being cranky about it, let's just use the whole thing. This is terrible. Don't be shy, be a star. Where you live, where you are, be a star. All right. Let's try. But I don't want the delays to be 500. I want them to be 30 seconds. Let's just toggle it. Now let's drop toggle because I don't want to toggle it. This is in setup, so it's only going to run once. I'm going to look at chat in just a second. Wolf! No, it never ends, Alan. You did this. How is Windows 11 treating me? I haven't really done anything with it. It's okay, I guess. I know I don't like this, but it's fine. It's fine. This should be enough. Okay, so let's compile it again. See why it doesn't compile. Request from the file in the file included from this spot. Do I need to reload .h .cpp? Arduino hardware, AVR libraries, wire, in member function unit 8. I wonder if my relay address is wrong. Thanks, old sloppy. Ooh, I'm getting advice. Unless that's a troll. Who's talking? Do you have the correct board selected? Yes. It's like compatible with Arduino Uno. And I can't find the words. I made a horrible mistake. Baby, it hurts. Oh. Is that a troll? And these are actual messages and I have no idea. Where is it coming from? Who is talking to me? Poets trying to write. Oh. Ha! Alan. Damn. It is you. It's more fun this way. I usually just close Discord, but I need help. And I thought I had it hooked up with Stream. It's supposed to know that I'm streaming because I'm connected via Twitch, but I don't understand what's happening. Baby, it hurts when the sun goes down and the band won't play. I know, I'm supposed to be in streamer mode. Stop it! Ah! I'm just gonna turn them off. Okay, notifications are gone. Yeah, streamer mode should disable notifications, but for some reason, I don't know, it's not. All right, so now I have to figure out what's wrong with the compile. Is it because I'm just literally fucking copying this? I don't understand. And the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. All right, so I've got wire begin. Sorry. Wire begin, serial begin. Like, what the hell? If relay begins, serial print line. else print line. Hold on, I'm gonna send nothing. I'm gonna send an empty setup and see what happens. Is that dangerous? I'm gonna do it anyway. Actually, I'm just gonna compile it. It's gotta be the library. All right, so maybe I have to reload the library? Sometimes you make me blue. At times I feel good. Feel used. Loving you, darling, makes me so confused. SparkFun quick relay.h of love with you. SparkFun quick relay Arduino library. It's the same thing, but it's not called the same thing. I wonder if I'm just loading the wrong library. Just when I think I'm taking more than would a fool. It's right here. It is the same one. Back in love with you. All right, going back. SparkFun is more genuine than Arduino. I only use genuine Arduinos. Is there a mode switch on the board? Hold on. You can turn it off on, there's a whole section called streamer mode. That's fine, I'll do it later. I'm out of space. That's what it's saying. I'm out of space? What? That doesn't make any sense. I've done this before. I have the right board selected. This is... Hold on. It's the Uno. I know it's the right one. I've already sent stuff to this board. I know. Oh, nothing. That's what Xmetrics says before. It doesn't make sense that I'm out of space. It's okay. The error message said, hold on. The error message said nothing about being out of space. Hold on. Sorry, Xmetrics. Give me a hot minute. Okay. So it looks like it's having trouble with the library. Okay. In member function, uint8 underscore t quick relay read command. Unless my relay is hooked up to the wrong spot. But this should work out of the box. Like, that's okay. No big deal. Might need to unplug it to get it recognized. But it's still, no. Even if it's, I did commit the code. We didn't do this. We didn't work with this one, Hatter. We worked with the, I did commit it, or I saved it. It was the other one though. No, this one isn't there, but the other one was the one that we wrote last time, not this. Really, hold on. Let me just see if I can even do any serial communicate. Like it doesn't, hold on. If I deleted all that and it's still not compiling, it's the library. The library is having trouble. keeping it so hardcore. I'm falling. In all the bad times, I find myself longing for change. I'm at the deep end, just a dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Okay, so it can't see the library. So something is up with the library, I think. Tools. Well, it says, look here, if I go to tools and then all right, tools. I was going to do it from sketch include library. All right, let's try that. Let's try that instead. Jesus Christ, never mind. That's fine. That's okay. Let's just delete it. I'm not worried about it right now. And just try to compile here. No, it's having trouble with the package. All right, tools. You're missing a single line. No, add that back. Okay. Far from the shallow now. This one. Quick. Right. This line. But I had this. Okay. And it wasn't working. But I think the library changed now, so we're good. In the shallow. Far from the shallow now. I don't know. Web page is open. Was the compile the problem? What's the right side of the message? This is a compile. It says compiling sketch done compiling. It wouldn't compile if there was an issue, right? This is something else, but if I run it, no, I'm not. It's 18. But I still think it's going to have an issue. No upload port provided. Okay, so the upload port is a problem. Hold on. This was, I had picked it before, but like I unplugged it and replugged it in. So just bear with me. All right, let's try again. Oh shit. Okay, that worked. Okay. There are bubbles. They are not very visible, but there are bubbles. They're warnings, yeah. Ah! Oh my God, it's so long. So many bubbles! It's not big enough. Oh, that's so anticlimactic. We need lights on those or something. Yeah, have you tried turning it off and on again? Yes, I have. All right, so we got the relay. I need a high-res bubble solution. Oh my God. We'll have to get a high-res bubble solution. Is the idea? Yes. Yes, it is like a Duco. That is exactly the idea. Bigger bubbles. Oh yeah, I can slow it down. It's on the highest speed. Let me slow it down for a second. Like a Duco, they were so anticlimactic. I'm gonna have to move them somewhere. Oh yeah, that's the first speed. That's the best speed. That's the slow one. So they're not gonna be. I need to get some water. Is anybody else parched? I need to get some water. Well, it's fine. I could put it here and shoot it backwards and it will probably be good. Now put it behind a serial read. You mean here? Okay. Like the blank one is. Hold on, let me open it. And I'll take a look at it. So now you want me to put it behind the serial read just like the... No, not like the blank one. The blank one does not use serial read. Okay. So, but the first, oh, so that I'm not turning it off and on. You're just telling me to not do this. All right, hold on, let me comment it. All right, so instead we're gonna do, I mean, this works fine, right? It'll tell me if it's on. No, I need, so you're saying serial read? Hold on, let me look at the library. Inherits from the first byte of incoming serial data available, or -1 if no data is available. You want me to see what's happening. Instead of turning it on, wait for serial, then turn it on. Okay, hold on a minute then. So I need to do the without blank a little bit. Like I need to wait for it. Okay. So this one where I said, hold on, let's drop this. So that's gonna be in the loop. So we're gonna drop this. This is a little upsetting that I can't just directly send this to GitHub because I would rather do that. How do you, how do I do this? How do I this is where I need Vim, you're right, I need Vim. There should be a second one synced up for old Sloppy to enjoy bubbles. I don't? Open the serial documentation. I have the serial documentation open. Well, I have, yeah. I mean, I am at least, well, okay, kind of. I have the Arduino documentation open. But this is what I'm looking at. Okay, I won't say it. I wouldn't mind at this point because then I can push it. But as right now, for some reason, there's not. I bet there's a GitHub library in Arduino, actually. But I'm not going to go get it right now. Like I did this, but it's not. Why isn't it giving me like the documentation? Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Sorry, something got in my eye. For controlling the Arduino board and performing computations, turn on wait 30 seconds. B equals serial read. Well, I can do that, right? But I don't want to, it would be the same thing as go to the corner. Go to the, shit. go to the corner. Ah, okay, good. I need more water. Okay, so let me look at serial. Serial is used for communication between Arduino and computer. All Arduino boards have at least one serial port, known as UART or USART. Some have several. Mine has one. Serial pins are 0 and 1, okay? On my board, which is the Uno, or an Uno like. On Uno, Nano, Mini, and Mega, pins 0 and 1 are used for communication with the computer. Connecting anything to these pins can interfere with that communication, including causing uploads to the board, failed uploads. You can use Arduino's environment built-in serial monitor to communicate with the Arduino board. Right, okay. All right. So then, I've got you. Okay, so now, let's open this up a little bit. So this one is waiting 3 milliseconds, or it's waiting until the interval is over. And we want to send it. Well, okay, I'm sorry. Let me rephrase. Okay. So this one, this code is turning on for as long as the sketch has been on for less time than the interval. Okay, I'm hyperfixating on the no delay loop. Okay, fine. So if I drop, well, it was just what I know about chillin', right? About waiting. So would I put that in the setup or in the loop? I would put it in the loop, because, all right, just give me a second. My brain is catching up. Yeah. Okay. So reads incoming serial data, inherits from the stream. So this is a little bit too much because I've already got it connected. Okay. Integer, incoming byte equals 0. Serial begin, whatever. Send data only when you receive data. If serial is available, incoming byte, read the serial. Say what you've got. Print. Oh, okay, that's actually great. Okay, let's try this. Let's add this in. Okay, I'm gonna type it. So, and I can do this after I turn bubbles on too. I don't have to. I'll leave this for now. But I don't know if I want all this fluff while I'm coding, because I like it distracts my thinking. I think I'm going to take it out for now. I'll put it back. I think it's a good idea. I'm going to take it out for now, because I need to see what I'm doing and be able to think through it. This is fine because it gives me connection. Let's drop. Let's see. Is there connection? Okay. Okay. So then now I need to define my incoming byte as an integer. what if it's so we'll only take in integers? Like if I put in a number, is it going to store it as a string? Is it going to just say it's not, like I can't recognize that? If the computer takes in an integer in a string, do computers? No, they don't. I'm not thinking that way. I'm thinking about, oh, I see.
Jujule it.
All right. I think it's Google. Oh, here we
It's
go.
Jujule.
Okay.
A nice Twitch user telling me to jujule it. No, that's okay. Nice Twitch user. Thank you. Yeah, I don't understand the whole system. Right. 100%. Well, no, that is not, I'm not understanding. No. That's not, like, sure, I don't understand the whole system, but I do understand that if, I just don't understand. Hold on. -1. Data type is an integer. Hold on a minute. Let me just. Serial data is only in binary, so that's fine. I get this. The serial data is only going to pass binary because it can't communicate with anything else. Fine, right? Was your sure. It converts binary to ASCII. What on? Yeah. So when I press an ASCII key, when I press a key, it's going to convert it from ASCII to binary and send it. Okay. So then if I only want to start the loop when I type a K, I need to know the ASCII character for K so that I can check to see if the incoming byte is equal to whatever that binary is, or is the library going to recognize the ASCII character? Yeah, I can look up on Wikipedia, right? But also, C understands ASCII. Okay, fine. All right, that makes sense. So C will just convert the K to an ASCII and be like, yeah, I get that. Even though the computer is understanding it as a binary, C is able to recognize it. C compiles so that the computer understands it. Okay, I'm there now. Okay. All right. So then in this case, I'm going to pop this off just so that I'm not turning the relay off and on. All right. And then now explain it to you. Pylane, can I write a little first? Oh my God. Okay. You're hurting me. Wait, you're laughing. Piling, usually when you tell me to like explain it to you, it's for a good reason. So I won't, but I don't want to struggle bust through that again. Okay. Okay. So basically what happens is we have C, which is a language. Computer doesn't understand a language. I mean, it does because math is a language and technically binary could be converted to a language. Fine, whatever. But language isn't infinite and binary is. Okay. So language, what? Everything? You see lots of old protocols that define how to encode data. A lot default to ASCII. Yeah, I know. As a matter of fact, at work we default to ASCII because it's simple, and all of the other, I mean, everything is a big word. Everything. I don't even know what I said. You could set it up to send binary. Math is a language. Is technically correct. The best kind of correct. 100%. I only believe math is a language. Okay, let's just run this. Okay, so we're going to define our byte. So if I set, no, I've got it. Sorry, I've got it. Okay. How I dodged it? Yeah, I dodged it. I ask is for your good. Okay, Piling. So basically, what I just explained to myself is that the Arduino is using a serial port, and serial port cannot like take in a K. It doesn't understand that. That makes no sense, and it doesn't make any sense because it's serial. So like, the way that it takes in data is via off and on. Like Morse code, kind of. Probably exactly like Morse code, honestly. I don't know, maybe that's not true. But that's how I think about it. And then when it's using this library called serial read, if I pass it a K or a letter or something, the computer converts that, C converts that. Well, actually, it's the computer because it's not C at that point. Like, it's the computer that's sending via the serial whatever, via the serial port. So the computer is like, yo, I need to give this K to the kernel. And I guess actually, I'm thinking about this a little more deeply. So the board is like listening for that, that K, which the computer is understanding as the binary version of K, which is ASCII. And when it hears it, it reacts, it starts the next part of the code, or it starts the next part of the, what would you call it, the program, because it hears it and then it moves forward. That's probably a different explanation than I gave the first time, but tell me you're not see at that point. I said that. Starts the next subroutine. Okay. USB oscilloscope, an oscilloscope. Okay. Yeah, not C at that point. I said that. It's not C at that point. Okay, so the board eats binary. Got it. Yes, board eats binary and sends binary. It also throws binary up, Piling. All right, let's just do this. So we've got incoming byte. We need our serial begin. I don't know why I need the wire. Probably for the relay. I don't know. I think I'm gonna drop the wire for now. I don't like this. I would love to commit my code right now. Next time I do stream, and this is 96. It's just slower. So on the board, serial is beginning at a rate of 90. This is how quickly it's looping to listen. Then we'll get rid of this. I hate this so much. I hate this so much. Okay, so then we're gonna do if we're gonna put it in the loop. Okay, if it says serial available. So there are a lot of assumptions, and this must be just the careful way that you had to write code in the beginning. It just seems like every time I see these examples, which is really nice, it has a, like, if it's available, it's checking to make sure there's a connection when you've already used the setup in the first place. It's like I don't necessarily trust the setup because the setup is a different function, and I need to know that outside the scope of the setup because of whatever. Okay, now this has a print that's not, serial print, okay. This seems like a waste of space. I received. What's this DEC part? Decimal. I see. All right, let's format this nonsense. Yeah, you take 1 second and divide it by X, and that's how many flip-flops you can have. The speed is limited by how fast you can go from low to high, or vice versa. Camel case for variable names, that's what this is. Is that not, it's how the Arduino docs are written. Everybody has their, it depends on the language. I don't know how C is. It's ugly. I kind of like it. I do like snakes, but I don't like the spaces as much. Other N reads voltage as on off. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and compile this. I'm going to clear the serial monitor. And upload it. For some reason, it's still having issues. Not really /s. Whoa, whoa, cool. All right, I got it. K is 10. And 107. Who's leaving? Hey, Isaac Ewing. Enjoy your lurk. Hey, Earthine, how are you? K is not 10. Yeah, I'm seeing that. I'm seeing 10 and 107. 10 and 107. Incoming byte was 107. And is a return. Oh. But I can't. Hold on. 10 is return.
Wow! I feel good. I knew that I would.
That scared me. Who did that? Wise Otter. That totally scared me. Oh yeah, look up ASCII. Good idea. Silly girl. You should have done that the first time. ASCII chart. All right, cool. 10 is line feed. A? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I gotta re-upload it. Hold on. What's the other way to do this? It's just not, I'm just experimenting, sorry. Apologies. Apologies. Garage return. You don't have to. Cat! Jasmine. Did I finish it? Yes, it's all done. Did you want to see the bubbles? So, hold on, I just want to see. Parameters. You don't have to try. Ugh, irritating. Just give me the real documentation. It is. Format. I just want to see what the formats are. Hex, oct, and binary. Okay. So hard. Octal? I don't think that worked. Expected primary expression before care. Hold on. Yeah, I don't think so. Oct. Oh my God, what? So how do I stop it from getting the carriage return? I know, it was good fun. It was just fun for a second. Car is not working though. Doesn't compile. Twar? That's not right either. I don't know. These are the options when I looked at the documentation. Hold on. I mean, I don't think these are the only options. But, hold on. Let's go back here. Kitty purring. All right, it says ASCII 13 or /R/N. As an ASCII encoded decimal. Not really telling me. Car, you want me to try CAR? You can just string build. You could just wait for serial ready 10. Serial read. And then you can, hold on. All right, you're right. Try it with nothing. I don't think it's gonna give me, but maybe you're right. Maybe it'll be fine. All right, let's try it with nothing. Well, I think it's still, that's what I expected. All right, fine. That's okay. We can deal with it. I don't think it's nothing. This is just binary. Or bytes. Yeah, bytes. Yeah, I don't know. You'd think it like had the right. You think it had it, it would have it, but it's not. I don't know. Let's see. That's my SparkFun stuff. Hold on. Prints data to serial port as human readable ASCII text. Followed by a caret. It says it should. Serial port object. Value. I think it's because I'm defining the incoming byte as an integer. I think that's what's happening. Yes, thank you. Hatter, I figured it out. Me, I did it. The whole time. There we go. Get rid of equals 0. Well, I don't want this either. I want this to be, couldn't I just do this as this too? Like, why is it making me, do I need a plus sign? Is that gonna work? Why not? Oops. Boo. I don't like that it passed. I don't mind that it passes the carriage return. That's fine. But I guess you have to just like take your bare metal with us real coders now. I've got you. Yeah, I would explicitly check for it. That's what I was saying. I don't like something. Yeah, I don't like that it like, no, I am. I'm unwilling. I'm not unwilling. No, not at all. But I don't need to right now. So I'm just complaining. Yeah, I'm just complaining. Oh, good idea. But how about I just, well, I don't want it. I'm not going to be using this. I hope. So what am I making? Hi, the real Ryan. I'm making a bubble machine. You want to see it go off here? Just give me a sec. I'm making a bubble machine that that runs off Twitch chat. What am I missing? And this is not gonna, like, it's not gonna be able to read. Whoa, what's that? What is happening? There's, do something cool instead. Yeah, 100%. Absolutely. Stop working. Damn, what's happening? This. Huh. I wonder what's happening here. Why does everything break? Oh, okay. All right. See, I'm the bubble machine. I'm just showing I'm just showing the person. Do I think relay begin is important? Yeah, I do, but I didn't need it here. If relay doesn't begin, I think that it does. It is very loud. I think it is important. But that's interesting. Yeah, like when I think about this, I guess I'm thinking about it a little differently, like that there should be a call before this, before you check if it had happened, but I guess that doesn't make sense. Essentially, this is saying relay begin, and if that doesn't work, do this. So this is actually happening. What's line 11? Serial begin? The speed of the... Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Jasmine, can you chill out? Okay. Like if I did do this, I just have to try and fail. Interesting. So it does. It's actually trying relay begin. It's trying to use, okay, hold on, let me think about this. So it's trying to use the relay as it's checking if that's working. Yeah, so I could also do this. I could also do, and that would work just as well. Right? But this is just giving some extra, oops. It's just giving some extra love to it to make sure it's actually connecting. Yeah, okay, good. That's very interesting. The call is coming from inside the function. Begin is a function of the relay class. Yes. Relay begin jumps to that offset and starts executing it. Is an offset to relay. Sure, offset. I am diagramming in my mind. I am. Jumps is the same thing as a call. But this seems like a direct, but I guess there's no reason why this, it's interesting the way that C is working here, because it's saying if something happens, but if you don't have the, make this thing in here happen. If it doesn't happen, it's like, I guess the logic of how it's reading is interesting, because, and maybe I guess that's how all if statements work, and I've never really thought about it. But usually I guess I'm basing my if statements off of equality statements that have to do with stored variables. And I suppose if a function doesn't run, like a test or something, then you could spit out some log data. So you could call a test, and if that test fails, then spit out this log data. Or if a whole test script fails, you spit out this log data. It's interesting. The call pushes and pops the stack. A call pushes and pops the stack. Oh, it's a stack. Does C have a bool type? Yes, I think I remember a bool type. Maybe it doesn't, but I thought it had a bool. Yeah, I thought it had a bool type. Hold on, let me go look at my types again. I don't want to be I can't remember any of that. You ask me a question, I'm gonna assume it does. hold on. These are all operators. But what's this? Hold on. Bitwise compound. Right. It doesn't have Boolean types, has Boolean operators. That makes sense because hopefully it has Boolean operators. Let me go back to the types. Because I want to have them in the back of my mind. It has Boolean. How come this says Boolean? Ah, C++. Sorry. I miss assembly. Oh. All right. Hold on. Back up. All right. Let's not get not get too distracted. All right. So basically, all right, I'm going to drop this again. Just wanted to show what we were doing. And then now I want to make sure I don't turn the relay on without turning it off, or the relay begin is just the connection. Does anybody ever like think, hey, I just want to write the code behind the relay begin so I know what's happening? That's how I feel. MySQL doesn't have bools. It just uses 1 and 0 tiny int. Oh, cool. Good to know. All right, sweet. So I believe that, Hatter. I believe that. That seems like the way to go. Because then you can understand it and trust it a little bit more. Otherwise, you're just using abstractions that are not really helping you understand what's happening. Not that I want to do that. I really, really don't yet. I'm not there yet. But someday I'll get there. Okay. Someday. All right. So we've got that going. Now what we want to do is say, if, okay, hold on. So let's drop, all right, let's leave if serial available. We'll do a nested if, because why the fuck not? If incoming byte equals, and I made it a character, so Q. Then relay on. Sorry, I need to do this. And I want relay.turn relay on, delay 30 seconds. Your exit music? You going to bed? That's okay. Well, I was trying to think. I thought you said that. I made it a character. Oh. I don't want to do it till I understand it. X metrics. Okay, so what if we just say, not 107. Let me go to ASCII. Let me go to the ASCII table. So Q would be 81. No, lowercase q is 71 or 113. Let's do a 113. Zero x 71. Oh, or 113. All right. And then I'll do a quick. Why would I get rid of the 0 here? Or a Q without strings? Oh. Here for the free code. Yeah, take it. Take it away. So I could just put a Q here. And that's different. Yeah, I don't know why I would initialize it as a, you wouldn't take away the 0? Oh, okay, good. That's all right. You guys are telling me too many different things. I think I understand that it needs to be 113 from ASCII. I feel like I'm getting follows. Thank you for the follow, Whittington. It's not getting it on the bot anymore. Emre Tessoy. The real Ryan, I got you because you talked. No Mercy Mike? Oh, I missed No Mercy Mike. How come everybody didn't tell me? That's okay. But single quote, and it's not putting the pop-ups up either. Isn't the same as double quote. But now this is an integer. Is that right? No, it's still a character. Huh. Okay. Character literals and double quotes are used for string literal. That's okay. I don't know. Lifted being is right. What? Q would be car. Q is string. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Because of how they're stored. All right. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. All right. I'm going to ignore you right now. So I leave this as a character. And we'll see how it goes. Always with my problems. Always, Chrissy. Always. That's how messy your JavaScript is. Let's do this. All right. So it chills. And it waits. So if I do something that's like I, it should say I received an I and a carriage return. And then if I do a Q, it will start. Okay, cool. Oh, shit. I didn't turn it off. Do I have to? Yeah, fuck. Flashing more code? Oh, that's all right. Damn it. Fucking hell. Why are you delaying after turning off? I don't know. Because that's how they had the code before. Damn it. I mean, it's still a bubble machine, so it's fine. So many bubbles. Shit. So if I want to turn this off, it can't, it's not, hold on. Isn't it just, oh, I have working code. Oh, okay, good. Not yet. I don't have working code yet, but sure. Yeah. How the fuck do I git commit this? File, save as. Oh, why does it make a copy? Blech. Okay. Mouse keeps getting stuck. Okay, then the next step in this case is, let's get rid of this. And then I'm just going to get rid of this. I want to see it cleanly. Well, that's probably why people don't write comments, because they just want to see everything without like being interrupted by their own brains. Okay. It's working on my end, Spotify, but I'll restart it. That didn't do anything. I actually need to like close it, right? Or something. I don't think so. How much does this song cost? Hold on. It's 100 lifted being. Do you want it lower than that? Go ahead, give me a song and I'll just put it in. Old Sloppy will put it in. It's not like meant to stop people. It's just meant, oh no. It's 100. It's not meant to stop anybody. It's just meant to like slow it down a little bit. I did pause this song and close Spotify all the way. Exit. Is that better? Okay, cool. All right. So the next thing I want to do at this point is, so serial worked, but I had to use the serial monitor. So this is interesting because I could do this so many different ways. Because I guess I don't know. Hold on. That's how I pass the data to the port, I guess. Because when I pressed Q, I have to use the library. But do I have to use the monitor? No, probably not. But I don't know how else to pass it to the port. This is C++, lifted being. When you shut down the serial port, does that make you a serial killer? Yes, I believe it does. All right, so let's think about how this works a little bit. All right, so let's do serial read. Let me get to the documentation. This is horrible. Who did this? Reads incoming serial data. This is not good documentation. serial for objects. See the list of variables. Serial. No, that's on the other side. That's on the side of the... That's on the Arduino side. Yeah, gotta write more code. So now I have to communicate with the board, but you can't use the IDE. Yes, true. No, it's a miracle Arduino works at home. That's a fair point. Yeah, it's an int. I am looking at my code definition. What step is next? The step I want to do or the actual step? Because I don't know. But the next step that I would do is to well, right now I'm learning about the serial. Well, it's not very good. Yeah, it's not very good documentation, so I don't want to talk about it. What I would do next is to have the Arduino hold on, that's what's already happening. Hold on, let me make sure it's not already happening. So right now, the serial port on the Arduino is listening this. This causes it to turn on and listen, right? And then if anything passes, so I want to pass something to serial without the IDE. That's what I want to do next. Yeah, I still want to control it via Twitch chat, but even controlling it, I have some interfaces already that I can use. I have some like abstractions I can use. Why I'm stuck? I'm not really stuck. I was just trying to like seriously. I was trying to figure out if I could understand where serial read. If I just did this and I pressed Q, it's so long. I don't want it on for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do 20 seconds. And I just press Q. It's not red. Why isn't it red? Because there's some abstraction that I don't understand. The serial monitor is an abstraction. Not an abstraction. It's not. It's an interface. It's an interface between me and the board. So I need to bypass the serial monitor. 30 seconds is your only option. You can't change that number. Where is the loop being called? On the board. The loop is being called on the board. So my next step, is figuring out how to send anything. Fafin, this is why you said no. Are you sure loop is actually being called? I don't really mind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the loop is being called. All right. So I'll just Google it. Google the next step. Pick a language, any language. I don't want to. Pick a language, any language. Python, JavaScript, JavaScript. JavaScript is easiest because that's where the bot is written in. Oh, it has a series. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Cruise control. All right. I have Python here. Let me just open a new. Probably Mecha Chrissy is where it belongs the best. In case I ever do this with. Right, let's push it just up high. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, Da Vinci's Creations. Trolling me. Do I want to learn Zig? Yes, I do want to learn Zig. Do I want to learn Zig now? No. I wouldn't learn JavaScript. It's just there's a lot of Twitch interface. There's a lot of Twitch scripts already written for JavaScript, and I already know how to communicate with the API. So I would rather use Python or JavaScript, but it's okay. No, my brain's too tired to learn Zig. No. Oh. So if I already have, I could do it in C, right? I could do it in C, but it's just hard. I could also do it in Python, but like, hold on. The steps that I need to do this, hold on, are to can I use cruise control? Hold on. Yeah, can I use cruise control? Let's see. I know cruise control. So cruise control uses Is it I? Yeah, here we go. Like, I wonder if oh no, everybody. So Osiris, I've only heard people say good things about Zig. I'm getting sleepy though. I haven't heard anybody say anything bad about Zig, and it is new, so do it in Morse code. Stop distracting her. Lifted being. Thank you for coming to my rescue.
Bye.
Oh, bye, Wise Otter. Good night. Thank you for stopping by. Love having you. You're my fave. I say that about everybody though, but you're one of them. Okay, cool. So let me think for a second. I think that what's this? A raid? Hold on, I can't. Who is raiding? Oh, is someone just using the raid? What is happening? 6 months. Oh, Loki, yeah, there you are. I see it now. I was like, who's using the raid? Hello. Thank you for the sub. I'm not hearing any of my bot stuff. I don't know what happened. It was working, but everything's broken. And it shouldn't be. And I don't understand. Oh no, fapping. Well, it's fine. It's fine. It works fine. Lifted beam. I'm sure I'd change it, but what I'm trying to think of is like, do I just use something that already reads the Twitch API and pulls it into Serial? I don't think that Cruise Control uses. No, I think you're right. I think I just need to okay. So I think I just need to, I think the problem is I'm just a little bit disorganized and I don't want to, when I open VS Code, I think this is too disorganized. So it's like messy in here and I don't like that. And it stops me from thinking. So let's go ahead. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go ahead and make a Python file. Why not? And we're going to call it serial com.py. And we're going to say, do a quick Google of communicate with serial port Python. Okay, brilliant. PySerial. And look at this. Okay. Opening port at 9600 8N1, no timeout. Oh, cool. Okay. I don't know all of these. Like 8, is that like a byte? I want to pick something more complicated, Pyling. I want to pick Python. Arduino start. Yeah, that's fine. No, this is fine. I'm okay to be a little bit tired. Yeah, I was at 1152000. That's where I was for a little while. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, thank you. 8 data bits. That's what I was gonna guess. Parity, y'all. I miss parity. I miss talking about parity. No parity and 1 stop bit. Oh my God. I wish I could go back. I miss math. Yeah, bike shedding though. Right, exactly. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Yeah, totally. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I changed it, but thank you for letting me know it's fine. I'm just breezed by it. It's fine. All right. So what I want to do is, gross. Okay, I started the virtual environment. Is this smart? No, I'm not going to worry about it. So pip Might already be here. It should probably already be. Oh no, I guess it isn't. All right, so we're gonna import serial. Serial imported but unused. Then we're gonna set the serial port to serial dot serial. And then I have to open the serial port. So this is, let me pop this bigger. So this is the short introduction. This is /dev/tty USB 0. Oh, I have to know, do I have to know which USB it's plugged into? Hold on a minute. I downloaded a Trojan already? Seriously? Oh shit, you're right. You're so angry. It's fine. Oh shit. Well, that's okay. It's in a virtual environment. I need to find the COM port on Windows. Good to know. Crap. Okay. Hold on. So this is Pi serial. Hold on. Pip install. I'm good. Don't do that. I can do it. Your USB peripheral should be listed and the port should show up. I think you can find it on the device management settings window. Okay. My USB, I'm looking now. Okay. Ben won't protect my computer. You're right. I need a virtual machine. I probably should be working on a virtual machine all the time. COM5? Well, what if that's not where it's plugged in though, Gray Hatter? Like I have it plugged in the front of the computer. Aren't the USB ports different comms? Well, whatever. I've got it up. I'm looking at it. It's you wanted me to look. Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't think I'm looking at the right spot. System devices. Hold on. COM ports. Oh, yep, I've got it. It's 4, COM 4. Okay. Typo squatters. Oh. Oh, interesting. Hold on, let's see though. I think it will still say I'm on COM 3 though. Is that weird? Oh, nope, it did switch. You're right. It switched to COM 4. Interesting. All right, then I reconnected. Okay, so fine. So then I need, let's follow this. This is so much easier than understanding everything. Okay. So then I want to do open serial port. So would this be COM4? Or do I need it prefixed? This is so much easier than understanding everything. Understanding some things is easier than understanding everything. It's kind of a tautology. Okay. So this oh, it's backslashes. Backlashes. Do I need any prefix for some reason? This has TTY because this is Linux. Is this different? Is this just I already checked it. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, fuck. This is cool. Need bytes. Okay, let me read a little bit more about it. I also need to get it to the right. Read up to 10 bytes. Read 1 byte. Read. Oh, so I need to read. I don't need to write. I need to read. And I need to read. BQ. Byte. Oh, and it translates to bytes. Q. Oh, that's fascinating. Jeez. And if strings are magic, it is a byte string. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay, using B, it won't use the magic, just the ASCII. All right. Do we care? Extra magic. Okay. So if we run this, and I'm in the right folder, yep, serial com.py. Huh? Maybe? I often ask why. Oh man. Too late to it's 12:30. I've been sleeping more. Oh great. I'm so excited. Y'all. How the hell do I This is how I'm a little tired. I think I need to stop soon because all right, so Pi serial, collecting Pi serial, download Pi serial. Okay. Do I need to Python 3 it? Maybe I don't need the cause Ozerix told me to. That's okay. Could not open port. Oh, that's cool. Still can't open port. I think access is denied. Permission error. There's a permission error. Because it's open. Thank you for the follow. Hello. Pippi Alzamora. Okay. Yeah, it didn't look like it worked, but maybe if I do one of these. Nope. Chrissy, stop listening to chat. I'm on chat, but stop listening to chat. The hell? Why did my brain go? I'm going to listen to chat because that's why I'm on Twitch. I may incorrectly listen to chat and it might frustrate other chatters. And that's okay. And I'll make mistakes and I'll try things myself. And that's how the world goes around. All right. So this is saying self-open. Set the bad rate. You're right. I should do that. 1 open port at, oh yes, okay. Hold on a minute. Yeah, hold on. So I need, you're right, the right baud rate. Byte size, I'll keep at 8. I'll leave it at the baud rate. Okay, so then why are you mad at me? Could not open COM port. Access is denied. None. 5. I don't know what that means. Could not open part. Exclamation point R. Bad rate. Bad rate. I need admin privileges. Oh, boo. Okay. What's up? Baud rate. Is the port already open? Yeah, it is already open. It is already open. Because I've already uploaded it to, when I uploaded it to the board, doesn't this open the serial port? No. So because it's not available, it's not available because it's opened here. That makes sense, but then how the hell? So it, not here. Sorry, the other one. All right, this blows in my mind. Blows in my mind. Close the IDE. Am I writing this there too? Hold on. Hold on, 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 hold on. So am I so hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Can't I write? I got you. Okay. So I'm gonna trash it right here. Can I really? Yes, I can. Okay, so right here is where it goes away, and then I re-upload the. Yeah, that's okay, because it's okay. But can I can't. Okay. Close the Arduino already. All right, because this is open. All right, all right, all right. Am I rewriting the whole thing? This is bytes, so I need this to be 113. Helps me? What helps me? I don't know. How do I stop this? I closed it. I already closed it. It's closed. Okay. How come it didn't stop the script though? Why am I just chilling in here? How come the script didn't end? Why is this stuck? Yo, why is this stuck? Windows is gonna grab a hold of that COM port and not let anything else use it. I did Control C it and now it's stuck. Fucking stupid ass. Is that true, Middle Geek? Nothing. It's just stuck. This just happens. It just happens sometimes. Hey, Hades. Za. How are you doing? How's it going? It's been a while. Because I need to add a keyboard interrupt exception with Python. Serial port is frozen. Oh, it did eventually keyboard interrupt. It looks like it has a keyboard interrupt, but it just took a while. Yeah, I'll check let me check the IDE first. Hold on. I did reset the device. Hold on a minute. COM4, okay, just checking. When in doubt, try another USB port. If all else fails, reboot. I'm doing okay, but you said do a 1 second. Who's telling you to reopen the IDE? No, I did it. I did it on my own. Don't do that. That's not okay. That's not the way you speak to me. Ooh, that is not the IDE connects to Arduino on COM4. That's why it was taken. Yeah. Okay. So question, never mind. I didn't open the connection before read. Fair. Will this actually close it? And then be done and it'll exit it? And you said do a timeout? Hold on. Is there something in the library I can do timeout with? Set timeout. Okay, there is. It's on the timeout. Let's see. It's in the initializer. It's in the serial initializer. Line 2 timeout equals 1. I'm looking at the with block had a timeout. I'm looking at the Pi serial API. But you're right, yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. Yep. Okay. Okay. Brilliant. Are assuming that you checked device manager to make sure you have the right COM port. Yes. I mean, I checked the IDE, so it should be fine. And I compiled, and it's fine. It's amazing how many Linux guys never learn to use Windows command line. It should be the same COM port that is listed. It's fine. It's all good. Now we pray. Debug console. All right. Let's play. Fuck. It's already open. It's already open. With block. Okay. Okie dokie. With serial. All right. So we're going to do it with block here with, excuse me, cereal. I'm gonna go to bed soon. I need to go to sleep. My head hurts. All right. So how can I, can I remove the open and close lines, right? Okay. Can someone play her? Does it close? Does this close? Been having to deal with it for so long on industrial control systems. With blocks auto open and close. Thank you, Piling. Not working. Try the IDE again. Just to check that it's on the right port because I unplugged it. Ta-da! Bubbles! Make me so happy. Aren't they lovely? Just in person. They're so lovely. Code didn't crash. Sorry. Sorry. So that's fine. And then if I close this, it closes the connection, but it's just not working here. And it must be the way that I'm passing this statement right here. It must be this. It's working with the IDE, but I really needed to work with any other script so that I can communicate with this and have it interact with the serial. So it's not working with the serial. I don't think so. Let's go see Piling. So they're saying with serial as serial baud rate. I've got that already. Got the port comp, but maybe I do it separately. Maybe not. No, I think that's probably fine. I still have to open it. I guess I could do it in Python and just write it, right? I could write it in Python actually. BQ does what? It sends a byte. The Q version. It sends a byte. It sends Q as a byte string. I don't know what it does. I'm tired. I'm like so close though. I don't want to stop. Yeah, 10 minutes and then we're done. New line? Needs a new line? What's Q mean, y'all? I don't really know. But I put 113 in here. I see. Hold on a minute. Maybe serial write doesn't, maybe this one, I'm not thinking of how write works. So let's see, it adds. Is it Q and hex is not 113 but 81. Oh. Thank you for the follow, Bolapara. Bolapara? Bolapara? Balapara. Sorry, I'm just having fun. It's 81. Are you? Whoa. Yeah, that's what I figured. Q is not equal to Q. It's little q. Little q. In ASCII. Look here. It's little q is how it's coded. Yeah. No, it still works. I wonder the method. Readable buffer. Output the given byte string over the serial port. Do I just put Q here? No. I think I just do this. Okay, here we go. At least we got some stuff to get mad at me for. To bytes, data to bytes, data. Unicode strings are not supported. Please encode to bytes. Okay, I did that. Yeah. I need to read before writing. Serial might be waiting to send data before reading. Did you just say words, Hatter? Serial might be waiting to send data before reading? Why? Hold on. If the Arduino is trying to send me a message and it can't, I guess that makes sense. Okay, hold on. We can fix that. All right, I get it now. Yeah, I'm understanding a bigger picture of like what is happening, I think, a little bit. This is the problem? I don't think this is a problem. What would I be reading here? This one, right here. Shouldn't there be two? Hold on. I did just do that to not print anything. All right. Let's upload it. Let's try this. Gotta close the IDE. Still no. But I think, does it have to do with, expected output, bubbles. The expected output is bubbles. Because it's sending the cue that it's looking for. All right, here. Hold on a minute. So is there something that's happening here? Incoming byte equals serial dot read. Is something not happening here? No, it is. It's reading what we're writing to it, so no. After the import. Yeah, I just had to talk through it a little bit. Flush the buffer after sending. Hold on, cute. Hold on, no Xerix, hold on. Okay. Hold on. That doesn't have tools. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, there it is. You're right. Sorry. Whoop, there it is. Yikes. List boards. All right. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Driver LP. Tools. Let's try it again. All right, what am I looking at? Is this the hex code? It is inside the width. What are you talking about? Outside the width. Oh, I read that goes inside the width, which is hilarious. Before it? Okay. COM4. It's fine. I think it's gotta be. All right. The serial setup is wrong. Yeah. With a write, I think you might need to flush in the. Oh, why? Because I could get rid of the serial completely? Yeah, I guess you're right. I should be careful about the indentation because I could just get rid of something. Well, oh yeah, that could be really bad. No, it's still fine. Still doesn't work. Yeah, it feels a little good. All right. Baud rate and config is critical with all serial communications. Baud rate is the same. And config is critical with all serial communications. That makes sense. That makes sense. So the baud rate is right, but maybe some of my other ones are off. You think? All right, that makes sense. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, let's do the rest on Thursday. I'm gonna sleep because my voice is. I didn't get a water. Never got to hydrate because y'all care about progress, not about my health. That makes sense to me. Parity is good. And then we need the Stop it's equal 1. Right. Okay. All right. Fine. Still no. What? Oh no, Middle Geek. 9,600? That's not going to do anything. Lifted being. Go get a drink. I'm not going to go get a drink. I'm going to go sleep. I am going to understand this a little better, although it does seem pretty cool. I probably should have started with Python, but I understand. But yeah, sleep and drink is parallel. Oh, thank you, Mr. Driver. I appreciate that. And by the way, welcome on into the chat. Wait, Piling, what's up? What's wrong? Don't ... me. Oh, sleeping. Are you mad at me for sleeping? Why are y'all dotting me? What is this? What is this? Com is correct. Lifted being. Com is correct. The com is correct. It's, look, it says so. It's right. Oh, well, that's 1. I know it's correct because when you do the Arduino IDE, it won't link up. Watch. If I pull up the IDE for Arduino, and I have done this a couple times, and I look at the Arduino, it's a COM4 and it connects. Like even the serial monitor is like happy with it. So if I press Q, it's gonna send bubbles because the COM4 is right. So I don't need to go to the device manager. I know it's right. I'm gonna close this. Show bubbles. Bubbles. I have no idea what you're trying to do, but I know it's difficult. Oh yeah, no, it's all right. I'm pretty sure a lot of people in here could do this far faster than I can. I'm just learning a new thing, so it takes a little bit of time. So that I can sleep? Okay. Oh, that's a good point. You think it's just moving too fast? I'm gonna disobey. 4 seconds. PNP util. All right. What? Hold on. I'll go to bed. I am tired. I sucked the O2 out of your room? Oh no. Because I just yawned? Yeah, I am pretty tired. Nice. Why did that work? Yeah. Okay, y'all, this is good. Thank you. That makes sense, I think, because the communication was happening too fast. Like it was passing it. But you'd think with the with this, and maybe the timeout, you should explain it after I sleep, or just send me some docs I can read. I opened the other IDE and closed it. Yes, I did. Oh, I see. Windows is bad and should feel bad. Okay, good. All right, sweet, y'all. Okay, now we can actually, do I push this to Mechacracy? Why not? It's not gonna hurt anything. Will I know it's there? Yes, because it is a bot interaction. Actually, I could probably, I bet that I could hook this up to Twitch chat right now and start Mechacracy and it would work. But it would work with a command, not a channel point redemption. I know. I could sleep. It does work. It does work. Yes, Piling, it works. It would be so easy to hook it up to Mecha Chrissy, which is just sitting here. Oh, Mecha Chrissy. Mecha Chrissy is a bot. Is the bot. Lifted being. Mecha Chrissy. Let's sleep when everyone is happy. That sounds good, but I was gonna push this, so hold on. And yeah, that sounds good. Sleep sounds good. Everything sounds good. Let's find a new software div to raid. Anybody on? It's corn. The big lump of knobs. I am really tired. I used to be so good at staying up really late. Leak code grind. Let's raid. Let's raid. Coding with strangers. Just slept for 8 hours. Woohoo! Congrats. All right, sweet. Python, what? No, let's not talk about Python like that. No, we do not say anything bad about languages. Y'all are, shh. You never played any songs. Lifted Being, did you just tell me to play a song and I'll play it. I love your music. All right, we're gonna, Z-Sen, thank you for the follow. Let's go ahead and start this. All right, I will see you all on Thursday where we are going to hook this up to some version of chat. Then we're going to try to get it on a channel point, which is going to be a little harder. So, all right. I will see you all later. Thank you so much for the follows, the chats, the lurks, the subs. Lots of subs today. You have a good sleep too, Mr. Driver. And all that jazz. See you later. Bye.
Speak with Izumi. Can you tell me where to find her?
Chicken breast, 160 cents.
All right. Maybe you can tell me if the Elric brothers, Edward or Alphonse, have been here.
Top grade boneless chuck roast, 200 per pound.
We're here on official military business. You have no need to protect them.
Ground beef, pork or turkey, 98 cents a pound. I'll take care of this one, sir.
It brings a tear to my eye.
That's just odd.
That is how I want us to meet. Hey, oh no. Okay, so I don't get alerts anymore. Sorry everyone, I can't see the alerts because I'm getting them in my thing now. So, oh no. Okay, wait. So who rated then? I gotta scroll to the top. Chrissy Codes? I don't believe we've crossed. Wait. Before I start talking smack. No, we haven't crossed paths before. Let me take a closer look. Let me do a little deep dive examination. Hold on. Let me see what you rolling with. We'll give a follow up front. But we got to see what you're up to. Are you watching me watching you? Are we watching each other together? Wink if it's true. Wink if